We have been eating some snacks and planting flowers and we put some candy and eggs, Easter eggs. We learned about some cats and dogs. We learned how to make some toys for the dogs and cats. And we made some treats for the dogs. We're in third grade, and we're at the Sunday breakfast mission, and we're making envelopes. Yeah.
I'm in 6th grade, and we're at Bible Fellowship Church. Over here, we've been shoveling up mulch and replacing the mulch on the playground. We cleaned up a bunch of sticks back near the pond. We've changed the mulch in like gardens too. And yeah, we've done a lot. It's like
I'm in 9th grade and I'm at Bible Fellowship Church. We mulched and then I went in the pond and cleared up like sticks and gross stuff. Moss, yeah. Some of the guys moved wood to a burn pile and we cleared stuff on the playground and then are putting more mulch on it.
We're at Riverview Cemetery,
yeah. And we're picking up trash.
I think they're trimming it because there's a grave in the middle of it.
Yeah, I think they're just trimming it so that you can see the grave
in between. Yeah.